Is your food service operation in danger of shutting down? The Peel-A-Ton KA700 can help you keep up your production, keep your employees spaced apart, and keep your labor low while maintaining a high rate of production. Don't believe me? Watch the machine. Able to peel over 700 apples an hour, the KA700 is perfect for the small production kitchen. So as you just saw, I've got my speed here adjusted to a 2. Let's go ahead and run this first grapefruit and let's see where we're going. Texas grapefruit. Good. Turn it down to a 1 now. Speed up just 1 more. There you go. There's your peeled grapefruit. Hello, we're going to be peeling an onion with the Peel-A-Ton. What you want to remember when using the Peel-A-Ton and an onion is that you chop the tops off, not because the Peel-A-Ton can't get through it, but because you don't want to be stabbing dirt into the middle of your onion from the outside. So, I've chopped the tops off. I'm going to load the onion up onto the machine here and hit go. And there we have it, peeled onion.